When your gut instinct is wrong, I'm into genius. The boardroom is brutal. Maybe you've heard this before. Blockbuster Movie Rental refused to buy Netflix at their original offer of $50 million. Netflix is worth $65 billion now. And when was the last time you thought of a Blockbuster rental? MySpace refused to buy Facebook when they were first on the scene at the same time. Now Facebook is valued over $439 billion, and MySpace is simply not used. And the famed Ross Perot decided not to buy Microsoft for only $60 million. Now Bill Gates' Microsoft is valued over $507 billion, and Ross Perot is no longer famous. And the former king of search, Excite.com, chose not to buy rival Google for only $750 million. But now Google is valued over $641 billion. Now this proves that your work has the capability to pay you in the future far more than it appears now. The key is to build your vehicle in a way that will allow you to be sustained through the growth period. Take music for instance. If you create a song today, its value cannot be appreciated likely for some time into the future. You have to share and distribute the sound. You have to keep track of those interested. You have to keep up the rapport so that you have greater ease of contact for the next recording. This is a system, and you will create a sustainable system for your rise. So go ahead and start building a vehicle to get yourself there. And the best vehicle I can recommend is a blog. While you can get paid for blogging on a few varying services, writing your own blog will give you a greater control for content and surrounding real estate. You'll be able to write what you want, to what extent you want, and all you have to do is monetize your work yourself. But the greater the opportunity, the greater the reward. In fact, you can watch my video about how to monetize your blog at this link. If there's one thing that you should remember about the successes of what were at one time small companies, keep in mind that your system can grow and you can duplicate the streams of income from one successful project. Yesterday, everybody, it's your old man Rasul the Mom, MFA, otherwise known as Genius, bringing you some quick information about how you can start to find opportunities for yourself using the internet to make more income in your life. This is the type of thing that I'm going to be teaching at the Moodside House starting this Wednesday. I want you to come out and participate. This week I'm teaching Photoshop, but here's some of the other things you're going to start to learn. You guys might know that I am the designer for DCWeedWorld.com. The CEO, Preston Boss, called me in to design the site. And in the process of doing that, what I'm doing right now is looking for some greater merchandise to swell up the shop. I'll show you the shop really quickly, which we built out and put it on Tumblr as a e-com shop. So as you can see, it's all available there. And what we deciding to do now is to add some more products, possibly just change out that entire shop. So what I'm gonna do is head on over to watchcount.com. Now I don't know if you are familiar with WatchCount. It tells you the most popular products that are on eBay. So I'm heading over to watchcount.com. I put in my search and I'm looking through here to find all of the products, and I'm already coming to find that there are some really well selling products, mainly in line of stickers. So that's something that I'm going to start looking for. So I'll go right over here first to my foreign wholesalers, where I know in the world most of the manufacturing is done. I'm going to put custom stickers. Custom stickers, okay? Now this is going to be a great big bulk of them. I don't personally need to do a great big bulk of them. I can print out stickers individually myself. I've already taken the time to get the hardware necessary to do that. So if that's something that you're
interested in doing design work, doing more publicity work, you may think about upgrading the hardware that you have. So when you come to Alibaba.com, you're going to just hunt through, here's vinyl stickers for as low as 10 cents each, but the minimum order is 100 pieces, okay? Now, when you want to do that type of production, this is a good way to go after it. There are a lot of print companies in the US. You can just easily do a Google search for custom stickers, find your lowest price that's going to work for the amount of designs that you can separate over all of them. With me, it was easiest to go for the hardware, but I use that hardware, the printer, for a lot of different projects. And with that, I am your old man Ross Alderman, MFA, otherwise known as Indigenious. I want you to come out to the Moonside House, learn how to go from creating a website to creating the shop for that website to finding more products that you can add to your shop, sourcing those products. Come out and learn this Wednesday at the Moonside House. It's me, old man Ross Alderman, MFA, otherwise known as Indigenious. Teaching forward shop and a lot more. Catch up there.